want to give a little description of garden scale organic no-till production system. So we're in our garden here, and in another video you'll see this actually occurring. But what we have here is a flattened stand of cereal rye that was seeded last fall, just broadcasted on, and grown until now, which is right around June 1st. And we're in central Iowa. And the idea is to grow a cover crop and then terminate it, kill it, by physically knocking it down, leaving this mulch that you see on the ground. And we can then plant right through this and not have to weed. And this is, we usually use, on the field scale, we use something called a roller-crimper, which is just a large steel barrel with blades welded on it that physically knock down and then crimp the stem along their length to cause them to die and dry down. So this is a little contraption I built in about 4 minutes with things lying around my garage, which is the home scale equivalent of a roller crimper. And it's just a 2x4 with a little rip off of, looks like 3/8 inch plywood just screwed onto it, and then some scrap wire that was hanging around as handles to hold them. And so if you check out the other video, you'll be able to see this knocking down this cover crop, which should be hopefully brown and dead in a matter of days, and then we can plant into it and have season-long weed suppression.